Familiarize yourself with the 2018 Jeep Wrangler. Jeep infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as front and rear reading lights, an outside temperature display, heated seats, skid plates, blind spot sensor, remote keyless entry, and a split folding rear seat. Jeep ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, integrated rollover protection, traction control, brake assist, a security system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. Call now to schedule a test drive.